Welcome to 216 Liquidations. My name is Terry. Today we're doing box number 3 of 10 of the Amazon mystery boxes. We've already done box 1 and 2. They were pretty decent. We paid $350 for 10 boxes. That's $35 each. We'll definitely break even and probably make some money on them. If you'd like to see box number 2, the link will be above me. Click on it and check it out. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and like this video. So let's get started. Box number 3. Like I said, the first 2 boxes weren't bad. These are cheap Amazon mystery boxes. And this is a light one. Here we go. Well, in the last box we had some Christmas ornaments, and we start off with some Christmas ornaments. Actually, these aren't bad. We'll put these up and sell them. Actually, got 2 of these, so we'll put those up and sell them. This one really doesn't have very much in it. I don't know what these are. Headband holder organizer, multi-function hanging and storing for baby girl's hair accessories, sunglasses, jewelry display. So this is some type of a display. Don't know what these are worth. But looks like I got 1, 2, 3 of them. I'll have to look them up and see what they are. They look like they got some little hooks and things, and so this is some kind of an organizer with pockets, I would imagine. This is, I think these are little magnets. Can't read the label on here. They look like a bunch of little magnets, Superman and different kind of characters. This is a yellow stencil. Might not work very much, but Kim Hughes one-step brow stamp sharpening kit. So some kind of a sharpening kit for something, for some kind of a stencil. Well, I can't get this open, but nevertheless, whatever this is, some kind of a one-step brow stamp plus sharpening kit, so whatever that is. Okay, what do we got here? We have a microphone fiber optic cable. Not sure how much this is worth, but it's a fiber optic cable for, oh, it's a monoprints fiber optic cable. Never mind, not a microphone, my bad. So I'm not sure what that's worth. Hopefully it's worth at least 10 bucks, but I don't know. Last one is going to be this big box here. Oh, what do we got here? I'm not sure if that goes to something or what. Well, I'm not. I'll throw that aside. All right. This is a Miguel round shell pet bed. Let's take a look. It's probably the best item in the whole box. Let's take a look at what this looks like. I'm not going to take it apart, but Miguel round shell pet bed. So some kind of a pet bed. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic, but we'll have to look it up online. It's kind of like a grayish color. It's maybe probably the best thing in the whole box that still didn't have very much in it. The last one was loaded. It had quite a bit of things in it. This one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 total. So that being said, that's pretty much it for this box. And I'm not sure what the stuff is worth. We might be able to get, I don't know, $7 to $10 for these maybe. These, I have to look these up online. I'm not sure what. Headband holder, organizers, multifunction, hanging storage for baby girls' bow hair accessories, sunglasses, and jewelries. So this is some kind of an organizer. So I will look those up and we'll see if, you know, what the word. If anybody's interested in anything that I pulled out of this box here, you can email us at 216liquidations@gmail.com. Down below in the description is our eBay store. You can see some of the products we pulled out of the first 2 boxes on there. And be sure to follow our eBay store as well. Follow us on social media. Everything's down below. Thanks for stopping by. And I know it's a short video, but we'll do box number 4. And hopefully it's got a lot more.